Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a planner task from a new SharePoint list item step by step. This uses Power Automate to automatically create the task whenever someone adds a new item to your list. First, open your browser and go to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the Power Automate home screen with a navigation menu on the left. Click the Create button in that left menu. You'll see a panel appear showing different flow types. Select Automated Cloud Flow. A dialog box pops up titled Build an Automated Cloud Flow. In the flow name field, type a name like Create Planner Task from SharePoint item. Then, in the search box below, search for when an item is created and select that trigger from SharePoint. You'll see it appear with a SharePoint icon. Click the Create button at the bottom right. The Flow Designer opens with your trigger card at the top. Now we need to configure this trigger. Click the Site Address dropdown and select the SharePoint site that contains your list. Then click the List Name dropdown and select the specific list you want to use. Next, click the New Step button below the trigger card. A panel appears asking you to add an action. In the search box, type Create a Task and select Create a Task from the Planner connector. A new action card appears. In that card, click the Group by dropdown and select the Microsoft 365 group that contains your planner plan. Then click the Plan ID dropdown and select the specific plan where you want tasks created. Now click in the title field, click the lightning bolt icon to open the dynamic content panel, then select the title column from your SharePoint list. This maps the SharePoint item title to the planner task name. If you want to add optional details like due dates or assignments, click Show All at the bottom of the action card. You'll see fields for bucket ID, due date time, and assigned user IDs. You can map these to your SharePoint columns. Once you're done configuring, click Save in the top right corner. You'll see a notification confirming your flow is ready. To test it, click the Test button next to Save, select Manually, click Test again, then go create a new item in your SharePoint list. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see green check marks on each step. A couple of things to note. The flow typically triggers within a few minutes of creating a SharePoint item, not instantly. You can view your flow's run history anytime by going to My Flows in Power Automate and selecting this flow. And if your planner plan doesn't appear in the dropdown, make sure it's associated with a Microsoft 365 group, not a standalone plan. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.